Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you guys how to do the preschool math. It's not that complicated. So in case you don't understand, please take your time and then try to watch them several times. You should be good, okay? Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Bote na bandeko nyonso tu boza kolanda nga lelo to travail na biso na mathématique école primaire. Alors sozo comprendre te problème eza te. Alors tala yango ata mbala misatu o comprendre malamu, okay? Ah, so there's a way we can do this. If I bring the calculator, okay, and then from here, if I type 61 minus 27 equal 30, you see what we got? 34, equal 34, okay? Equal 34, okay? 34. Now, there's another way we can do this, okay? We can do like this, 6 1 minus 27, okay? Now, 7 minus 1 is not gonna work because we cannot borrow 7 to 1. So we cannot take 7 inside of 1. So we have to borrow 1 here and 6. When we borrow 1 to 6, it's gonna left with 5. And then we're gonna put 1 here. Now, 7 minus 7 minus 2, 11 equal what? 4. Okay? In case you don't get it, 11, okay? Minus is 11. Minus 7 equal 4. Okay? Now, 2 minus 5 equal what? 3. The same answer right here. You see the same answer we got here, it's right there. Now, there's another way we can do this, okay? There's another way. So I'm going to show you guys another way of doing it, okay? Just to show your professor you understand, okay? So what we're going to do here, we're going to put the bracket. We put here minus, we put here, and equal, okay? Now, what we're going to do here, we're going to write this is 61 inside here, minus, and we're going to write this is 27, minus. Now, we're going to get this 7. We're going to write it right here. And we're going to get the same 7. We're going to write right there. Okay? Now, 61 minus 7 equal what? So if you get 7, you take 7 inside of 61. How much you going to left with? 54. Okay? You're going to left with 54. 54. Okay? That's what you're going to get. So if we bring this, 61 minus 7 equal 54. 54. Now, we're going to do same thing. When you take 7 inside of 27, how much you going to left? 20. Right here. Now, you see this 54 we got? You're going to write it right here. 54 minus. It's minus. Right here. 20. You write right there. Okay, equal. So when you do 54 minus 20 equal what? 34. Right here. Right? This is the answer. So if we bring the calculator, we write 61 minus 27. Go the same answer. You see? So this is the way of doing it. Okay? So you can show your professor or your teacher how to do it in a different way. Okay? So we're gonna do the next one, okay? So here another one. Now, if we bring the calculator, now we put 4, 8, 6 minus 401 equal 85, right? We got 85 here, okay? 85. So we got 85, right? So if we go here, we do the other way. 4, 8, 6, okay, and then we write 4. This is 4, 0, 1. This one is 0. Okay, and then minus. So 1 minus 6 equal what? 5. So 8 minus 0 minus 8 equal what? 8. 4 minus 4 equal what? 0. But we don't need to put that. So this is the answer. Okay, we don't have to put this 0. Just forget about it. This is 0. You don't put 0 here. Okay, we don't need to put like a 0 there. No. So this is the answer, and 5. Okay, now there's a way we can do this. Another way we can do this. Okay, there's another way. So if we do, we put the bracket. We put the bracket here. This minus we put right there. Sorry, we put this one here. We put here, and then equal. What we're gonna do? We're gonna write 4. Okay, we're gonna write 4, 8, 6 minus, and then we're gonna write this 4, 0, 1 minus. Now what we're gonna do here, we're gonna get this one we're gonna put right here. The same one we're gonna put right there. Now 486 minus 1 equal what? So you have to get this minus. You see this 486, you need to take 1 inside of it. How much is left? You're gonna have 4, 8, 5. Okay, that's what you're gonna have. Now that's the answer. 401 minus 1 equal what? So this one, take 1 here inside of 401. Well, how much is gonna left? You're gonna have 400. You're gonna have 400. Now this is 400. This one 485. This one 85. Okay, so we're gonna write here 485 minus 400. Minus 400. How much is gonna left? If you take 485 minus 400, how much is gonna left? 85. You're gonna have 85. So if I bring the calculator right there, so 485 minus, this is 485 minus 400 equal 85. So if we do this, if we do 486 minus 401 equal the same answer we get. This is the same answer we get here. Same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.